Are you trying to break into a new career or get a job but don't even know where to start? Maybe you don't have a college degree just yet, or you're tired of hearing that you need like 10 years of experience to get an entry level job. Or maybe you want to do something now that you can start learning right away for free. Well, this video is perfect for you. In today's video, I'm going to be going over 10 free Google courses that can lead to an 80,000 salary job with no degree required from companies like Google, Microsoft, Cisco, Fortinet, and IBM that can help you get job interviews even faster, even if you have no experience. And guys, a quick disclaimer, the certifications and salary ranges mentioned in this video are for informational and educational purposes only. Anything mentioned in this video is based on publicly available data from sources like Glassdoor and similar platforms. They are just averages and not guarantees, so actual results might vary depending on factors like your experience, location, the job market conditions, and the company you're applying to. These certifications do not guarantee employment and should be viewed as tools to help you build your skills and improve your resume. Some platforms and certifications or requirements do change over time, so as always, double check the official websites for the most up-to-date information before enrolling and applying for jobs. And before we get into this video, I would really appreciate it if you guys can hit that like button and that red subscribe button. It's free and it's easy. It takes 2 seconds and you guys can always unsubscribe anytime, and I would really appreciate it. Without any further ado, let's get straight into this video on 10 free Google courses that can lead you to an $80,000 salary job. On today's number 10 spot, we have Google's Machine Learning Crash Course. This course teaches you how to build AI systems that can learn from data and make smart decisions on their own. Basically, like learning how machine learning works, which is very important in AI, like ChatGPT, Claude Code, like all the major AI chatbots are very important, or anything that uses machine learning. It is also made by Google and is 100% free on their website. So things you'll learn is how machine learning works and why it matters, how to train a model using real data, how to spot and fix problems in your AI, how to test TensorFlow, Google's own AI tool, and how to build and test your own models and learning projects. So some jobs you can get with this is like a machine learning engineer, an AI developer, data scientist, research analyst, and software engineer with an AI focus. So the average salary range for this position is $100,000 to $150,000 a year. On the number 9 spot, we have a Google Advanced Data Analytics certification, which would get you certified in Google Advanced Data Analytics. So basically, this course goes deep into data. You'll learn how to use stats and coding to find patterns and help companies make big decisions. So things you're going to learn is like how to use Python and work with data, how to build models that work with future outcomes, how to clean up messy data, how to use stats to back up your findings, and how to tell a story with your data results. So some jobs you can get is like a senior data analyst, a data scientist, a business intelligence analyst, a quantitative analyst, and an analytics consultant, which that's probably what I would do. I really want to get into consulting, but like the average salary ranges for these positions is $95,000 to $130,000 a year. So on his number 8 spot, we have a Google Cloud Digital Leader Training. That's the course on Google, and you'll get certified as a Google Cloud Digital Leader. This course teaches you how technology works in the cloud and how businesses use it to store data, run apps, and save them money. So things you're going to learn is like what the cloud is and how it works, how Google products and tools connect using the cloud, how to keep data safe in the cloud, how businesses move their systems to the cloud, and how to spot the right cloud solution for different problems. So some jobs you can get is like a cloud engineer, a solutions architect, a cloud consultant, an IT infrastructure specialist, and cloud operations analyst, which again, the average salary range for these positions is like $90,000 to $130,000. On the number 7 spot, we have a Google Cybersecurity Professional certification, which you'll get certified again as like a Google Cybersecurity Professional. This course teaches you how to protect computers, networks, and data from hackers and online threats. So things you're going to learn is how hackers attack systems and how you can stop them, how to use security tools and watch for threats, how to respond when a system gets attacked, how to read and understand network traffic, and how to use Linux and Python for security tasks. And again, there's many jobs you can get. Some of the main ones is like a cybersecurity analyst, a SOC analyst, an IT security specialist, a network security engineer, and an incident responder, which again, the average range for these jobs salary-wise is $85,000 to $120,000. On number 6 spot, we have a Google IT automation with Python certification. So this course teaches you how to write code in Python to automate boring, repeated IT tasks. So computers do the work for you basically and save you time and other people time as well. So you're going to learn how to write Python scripts from scratch, how to automate files, folders, and system tasks, how to use Git to manage and save your code, how to manage user and systems with code, and how to fix and debug broken scripts. So this one I think would be really good if you don't want to be like a SOC analyst or like the actual guy like doing this live, like looking at logs, making sure a hacker isn't getting in the system, fighting back against the hacker. Like if you don't want to do that stuff, you kind of want to be a little more on the back end. This might help you a lot. You still have to have kind of like foreknowledge and just like you have to know in general what a SOC analyst would do and like what the defender is going to be doing in cybersecurity. So once you kind of learn that and like learn certain things you have to do, you can do this job and like automate things. Automate a task they have to do and make it simpler and faster for them. Me personally, I wouldn't like doing this too much. I mean, who knows? Maybe if I try like a SOC analyst, I'll not like it. It's too fast paced for me. So I want to do this, but I really want to be like on the front lines. But this is still like an amazing position for you. So some jobs you can get is like a DevOps engineer, systems administrator, a Python developer, an IT automation specialist, and a site reliability engineer, which an average salary range is like $85,000 to $120,000 a year. On the number 5 spot, we have a Google UX Design Professional certification. So this cert, of course, is the Google UX Design Professional cert. And this course teaches you how to design apps and websites that are easy and fun for real people to use. So things you're going to learn is like how to research what users need and want, how to sketch and plan app layouts called wireframes, how to build clickable prototypes, how to test your designs with real users, how to use tools like Figma to design screens. I think this cert is very important. I need this too because like I build apps. So one reason why people love my apps and they're kind of successful is I just make them as simple as possible. Like you got to think like a user, just think of like the stupidest possible user and make your site that anyone will know. Just like click and boom, boom, username, password, login, like big buttons, easy to see, click it, arrows showing you to click it. Like just got to make it very simple. And that's what gets successful because if you look at apps now like Instagram or Facebook, it is so complicated. There's 100 different buttons. Like even on TikTok, for example, there's 100 buttons, shop, for you, friends page, profile, and like I don't even know how to use TikTok anymore. There's so many buttons. It's so confusing. You need to make it simple. Some jobs you can get with this is like a UX designer, a product designer, a UI designer, interaction designer, or like a UX researcher, which like the average salary is like $80,000 to $115,000 a year. So if you're like a very artsy person, you're very creative, you love things like that and to plan and draw and build things, I think this is going to be perfect for you because you can kind of mix like your software skills, your hobby with software, and your passion for like creativity and art to make a very simple and fun UI that anybody can use. On the number 4 spot, we have a Google Data Analytics Professional certification. This course teaches you how to collect, clean, and study data so you can help companies make better choices. Teaches you how to use spreadsheets to sort data and study the data, how to write SQL to pull data from databases, how to clean up data that has errors or gaps, how to build charts and use dashboards to view the data, how to use R to study data in a visual way. So of course, some certifications you can get is like a data analyst, business analyst, a marketing analyst, a financial analyst, and operations analyst, which this is very important for the machine learning cert or like a machine learning position because of course, machine learning requires a ton of data to train on the AI. And for that, you have to clean your data. So you have to collect the data, you got to clean it and organize it, make sure it's high quality data. There's no biases in the data and nothing like that. So you're going to learn a lot about that in this, and it's going to teach you how to actually collect and use the data. So again, some average salary ranges from the jobs you can get in this, which is like $80,000 to $110,000 a year, which is just crazy. So if you're really good, you just want to like be in the back end, collect some data, study the data, clean up the data, organize it, get it ready to use. This might be perfect for you. On the number 3 spot, we got a Google Project Management certification, which this course teaches you how to plan, run, and finish big projects on time while keeping your team on track. So the things you're going to learn is like how to build a project plan from start to finish, how to manage risks before they become problems, how to run agile and scrum style teams, how to keep stakeholders updated and happy, how to use project tools like Asana and Jira. And jobs you can get with this is like a project manager, a scrum master, operations manager, a program coordinator, or an agile coach, which the average pay is about $75,000 to $110,000 a year. On the number 2 spot, we got a Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce certification. This course teaches you how to grow a business online using ads, social media, email, and online stores. So you're going to learn like how to run Google ads and paid ad campaigns, how to grow an audience on social media, how to write emails that get people to buy, how to set up and manage an online store, and how to read analytics to see what's working. So jobs you can get is like a digital marketing specialist, an e-commerce manager, social media manager, an SEO analyst, and a paid ads specialist, which on average you'll get paid like $60,000 to $90,000 a year. And on the number 1 spot, we got a Google IT Support Professional certification. This course teaches you how the basics of computers work and how networks work so you can help people fix tech problems. So things you're going to learn is like how to set up and fix computer hardware and software, how networks connect devices together, how to keep systems safe and secure, how to use the command line in Linux tools, how to give good customer support for tech issues. So of course, many jobs you can get as like an IT support specialist, help desk technician, desktop support analyst, technical support rep, system support specialist, which it pays about $55,000 to $85,000 a year. I honestly might get this one next. Like this is what I might get for an entry-level IT help desk position. But guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video on 10 free Google courses that can lead you to an $80,000 salary job with no degree required. So if you guys did enjoy this video and did help you guys out, make sure to smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button, guys. If you know any other tools or like any other certs, let us know in the comments down below. If you have experience with these certs, let us know in the comments down below. Or even if you have questions, like go ahead and ask it. But guys, with that being said, I'll catch you guys in another video. Peace out.